Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix operating system not found. So let's begin. I'm going to make this quick for you. I want you to go over here, click on the Windows Start button, type CMD, go to Command Prompt, make sure to run as the administrator. Okay? Then another window will pop up. What we can do is run SFC scan now. Okay, follow this. But before we do this, I want to tell you that this error can appear when boot files are missing or corrupted. So by using this command, it will actually repair and restore essential system files that allow your operating system to boot correctly the next time. So hit enter and your computer will automatically scan for any corrupted files. After it has reached 100%, it will show a message that it has found the corrupted files and repaired them successfully. You can simply close, refresh, and restart your computer. By then, this error should have already been fixed. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.